What's up, designers? Let's make your text explode with style. Open a new canvas and let's dive in. Import the textured image you'll be using. Let's hide the texture layer so we can see the text. Type explosion. Now edit the font style. To follow along seamlessly, you can download fonts, images, and brushes from the links provided in the description below. Next, select text. To do that, hold down Ctrl or Command on Mac and click on the text thumbnail in the Layers panel. This will outline your text. Move the texture layer above the text layer. Then, apply a layer mask to clip the texture to the text. Select the grunge brush and begin painting along the edges of the text in the layer mask. Use black to remove portions of the texture. Remember, black conceals and white reveals in the layer mask. Switch to the broken glass brush and paint subtly around the edges to simulate debris from the explosion. Create a new layer. Add additional brush details to enhance the explosion. Navigate to Filter, Blur, then Radial Blur. Choose Zoom in the Blur Method section and set the amount to 10. Add another new layer and repeat the brushing process. Apply radial blur once more, this time increasing the amount to 35. This additional blur intensifies the depth and dynamic feel of the effect. Brush or erase parts of the blur on the text to ensure it remains the focal point. That's it for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tutorials. Thanks for watching.